could talk about this all day. I can't wait to be back in person. It's going to be really fantastic to see people in the flesh again. You know, we were involved in last year's virtual event, and it gave us, at a difficult time, a chance to kind of connect with the community. It just can't compare to the personal interaction that you get from meeting at a conference.
We've not been able to network very well over the past 18 months. Virtual conferences are great, but they don't necessarily give you that same intimacy as being face-to-face.
It's just a good facilitator being face-to-face for not only business, just conversation and the whole experience. So that, I think, is what I'm looking forward to most.
And it's always very exciting because you can feel, touch, see the technology, and also engage in a way sometimes that that isn't possible through digital events.
It's just a real joy to be back and having discussions face to face with customers.
We surveyed the manufacturing audience this year, and 82% of them said they were desperately keen to get back to face-to-face meetings and peer-to-peer learning. So join us if you can at Digital Manufacturing Week, in particular the Manufacturing Leaders Summit, the Smart Factory Expo, and of course the SME Growth Summit in Liverpool, face-to-face with proper COVID procedures in place. So come and join us if you can.